Howdy, howdy. This is Holden number 6 for 2020. Picked up this little beauty here. It's a 1990 December build date VG Ute. It's just a V6 auto. They've just really become popular again because they're eligible to go on Club Rego in certain states. As you can see, this one isn't exactly factory original. I was really hoping to get a white one before the original bumpers and that, but I found this little rocket at the right price with the very rare Sydney Special Vehicles body kit. It's all fiberglass. As you can tell, she's a bit rough around the edges. Try and find a straight tailgate on a 20-year-old Holden Ute. It's damn near impossible. You see the exhaust has fallen off on the way home. A bit of a scuff mark on the side here. It's just sort of all cosmetic stuff. And yes, I know those rims are extremely epoxy, and they're from a BMW. So I'm just doing this video now, and they're the first things that are going to get torn off. The interior, I've been playing around with it this morning because the center console doesn't fit right and can't select the gears right. So it used to be a 3-seater column shift auto. It's been converted to 2-seater center console. As you can tell, it's the same front end as the Senator. When your mum says, when you ask your mum, can we have a VR Senator? And they go, we have a VR Senator at home, and this is what it looks like. You can tell that she's originally a column shift because the 3-seaters have the handbrake there. You obviously will have to relocate that back into the center there. But, take a look at that. That's going to get torn out, and basically everything from the Statesman is going to end up in here, including the power mirrors and power windows. I was actually considering a Group A bonnet scoop for the Senator. I'm glad I didn't. Get it on the Ute. Business end. It's a really clean engine bay. I was actually very surprised, considering. It's been well looked after. Well, this has been painted again at some point because usually that flakes out after they've been thrashed. It's got a strut brace. I was actually going to buy one for the Senator, so I'm going to rip this one out, clean it up and throw it in there. As usual, the Bulletproof V6 is still good. She's an automatic. I was hoping for a 5-speed, but you know, they're actually double, tripling in value. So I found this one really cheap, so I had to jump on it. It's just all mainly cosmetic stuff, like this is broken off. I'm about to go fix that right now. All in all, she's a good little rig. I need a parts getter, and this is the one.